joining me in another video. So it's late at night and I'm just recording the intro for this video, so bear with me. My makeup got a little faded from wearing my mask because I did go outside. In this video, so I have this old wig, right, and I wanted to wear it, but it's like it has like this weird length, and you know when your hair is like at this weird length, there's only but so much style it can wear on its own. So I got some clip-ins. I didn't use them all. I think you get about 8 clip-ins. I got some clip-ins and I decided I was just gonna put some clip-ins up in here, you know what I'm saying? Even if I decided to like wear it down this way, I could still wear some of the clip-ins that way too. So I'm kind of happy. Imagine I'm wearing some clip-ins on a full lace wig, honey. This look like mine's, right? I know. So these are 14-inch clip-ins. They're 14 inches in length. I think this wig was a 8-inch or a 10-inch wig. So the clip-ins are 14 inches. So I needed longer hair like in the front, like when I want to wear it out. Oddly, it's like this, you know what I'm saying? I can't wear it like that. So I'm happy to get these, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, keep watching. I'll show you guys how to get this look again. What the finished product looks like. I like it. I feel like a little girl though. I'll say this much, but it's cute. Y'all see my little faux sideburns? Y'all see that? Okay, y'all see that? It's different. It's different for me, but I like it. I like it a lot. This is the spray, and when I put the little heat thingy on it, it kind of turned it a little white. That's okay, because most of the time I'm gonna have to brush this out and do it fresh every day anyways. But other than that, this is nice. The mousse made the hair curl back up really nicely. I think when I wear it tomorrow, I'll wear it brushed out. I want it to be brushed out and not so defined. All in all, it came out really nice. What y'all think? Oh, don't mind my PJs. These are new, and I like them. I've been into these. All in all, thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. If you would like to see any more videos from me, if you have any ideas of videos I can do, because sometimes I can't even think of what content to do, which is why I'm so inconsistent. Duh. But if you guys have any ideas of different looks you want me to achieve or do, different hair looks, just beauty, period, hit me up. DM me, hit me up, leave a comment, whatever. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.